In this video, we will learn how to apply Apple Font in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, I will teach you how to apply the Apple Font in our Android smartphones. As we all know, there are different fonts, but Apple just stands out really well. So in order to have those simple and aesthetic font, I will gladly tell you how to apply them on your phone. All you have to do is listen well and follow all the steps that I make. First things first, let's go to our Play Store. And here we will search for ZFont 3. Once you have searched ZFont 3, I want you to go ahead and install it. Installing ZFont 3 is necessary because it contains the Apple font that we want. I already have ZFont 3 installed on my phone because I did a tutorial on how to apply Apple emojis on your phone. Please check that out. Anyway, now that we have ZFont 3 installed on our phone, let's go ahead and open the app. Once we have opened ZFont 3, I want you to scroll down and look for the stylish option. Here we will see different fonts: the Open Dyslexic, the MyType, the APAL, and the San Francisco. If you don't already know, the default font of Apple is San Francisco. I want you to go ahead and click that. Once we have clicked San Francisco font, the next thing we have to do is tap download. Now, it shouldn't take time to download the Apple font. Once we have downloaded the San Francisco font, let's hit apply. Now we will see how to change the font. ZFont is telling us to tap change font and then go to local, local font, and then apply the San Francisco font. Once we have tapped the change font, let us go to local, local fonts, and then here we will see our downloaded font, which is San Francisco. Click San Francisco and then hit apply. If we type a new message, now as we can see, we now have applied the San Francisco font. Now we have learned how to change our Android font into Apple font. If you want more videos like this one, please make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. Thank you for watching.